So in this question, we're given a table. The table represents the number of states with 10 or more electoral votes in 2008. Right, so this is the table. And the question says, in 2008, there were 21 states with 10 or more electoral votes as shown in the table above. Based on the table, what was the median number of electoral votes for the 21 states? All right. So when it comes to median, it's the middlemost, or the value in the middle when the electoral votes, it can be ages or anything, when they are arranged in order, right, from the smallest to the highest, taking into consideration the frequency, right, meaning the number of times each of the electoral votes will occur. So for example, based on what I just said, I said median is the middlemost, right, when arranged in order. So if I'm going to arrange in order, here the question helps us by giving us the values in increasing order. So I'll start with 10, right? 10 appears 4 times, so I'll just write 10 4 times, right? And then if I keep going, I come to 11. 11 appears 4 times, right? 12 appears 1 time. 13 appears 1 time. And then I'll keep going, right, until I list 55. So this is just to give you an idea that, if you have to use the information here to calculate the median, you have to visualize how, the ordered arrangement is going to be. And here we are told that there are 21 states, right? So the electoral vote, which will be in the middle, will be what? The 11th, right? So that there'll be 10 to the left, right? This will be the 11th, and then 10 to the right, right? So this is 11th, right? And then 10 electoral votes to the left, right? So given this idea, we're going to start and look at what is going on here by looking at the frequencies until we hit the 11th, right? So we start with the 10. We have 4, right? And then we listed another 4 for 11. So we are totally up to 8 now. And then we have 1, and then another 1. So up to here, we only have 10 of them, right, listed. So once we jump into this will contain the 11th value, right? So it means that 15 is going to be the middlemost number, because at this point 15 will be what, listed 3 times, right? And the 11th one seems to fall on, the very first 15 that we list. Actually, it falls on, let's see, this is 8, 10. Yeah, it falls on the very first one. So the very first one will be the 11th. Yeah, I hope this is clear enough, right? So when you see a table like this, just, look at the frequency and then, the actual values for which we're going to calculate the median or the average, or the, sometimes it's the mode. Mode is very easy because it's the highest occurring, right? The average, you have to make sure you're multiplying across, right? Adding them and then dividing by the count. But that's not what we are doing here. Here we are only interested in the median. Median is the middlemost when the values are arranged in order from lowest to highest, right? So our answer falls on 15. Okay.